The Jaintia National Council Central Executive Committee has alleged that the public hearing on the proposed Shri Cement plant at Daistong village was conducted under fear and obstruction, preventing many affected residents from attending. In a press statement, JNC-CNC President Sambormi Lingdok claimed that villagers and JNC members were stopped along the way by unidentified masked men and some village leaders, allegedly backed by the company. He alleged that a dumper truck was used to block the road and that some residents were physically assaulted when they attempted to reach the venue. Lingdok further alleged that despite the presence of the district administration, masked groups controlled access to the hearing site, raising serious concerns over law and order. He said written objections prepared by JNC, citing alleged violations of the Environment Impact Assessment Notification 2006, could not be submitted, as many objectors were unable to attend. Stating that public hearings are a constitutional right of the affected citizens, Lingdok said JNC strongly condemned the alleged intimidation and would submit a formal complaint to the authorities. He added that the council would take the matter to higher authorities and the courts, asserting that a hearing held under coercion should not be used to justify environmental clearance.
Ipo ilkala si susi dur direct. Susi dur. Isa to be ipo ilka mama. Ile ipo yung Jaintia mo. Mo long ma. Mustam mo MKMP daw MKMP ita.
Shawat ichi. Ika sani pichis pa ala si pa.
Yung iwan ini. Kamu ko yauri mo iko yung ile MKMP yauri.
Ile ko yauri.
Kamu kinong kerjan
ngap. Eswa. Kamu ipo wina.
Amma nakliang yung PB1 bigat ini 1P duk giliang percha. Kesau si uang aktif MH kiwa P1P nakliang kiu kerjan.
Excuse me, sir. I think, look, this is not the way, sir.
She will talk later.
Negasngi, niliang yung ka Jaintia National Council. Tempawi yung kiting singaw si kawukro. Kajing sekian ne deman go kasngi wa ka Shri Cement peman go ya ka public hearing haka chinong Daistong ilka nong khle. Kandre I na kaliang kaseng hawa perchangi ulai cekatha wa man ka public hearing. Acapan senga haciten luti don hi. Ka wayu pala cucu wa da am ko wi ka dampar ka wacha ya surak. Ka wa da kata ya ka lai ka wan yang kipat ba. Tok do ketela da bu wi ya ki kini ki Shri Cement da bu ko ya kita ki kang ki yong ka wa cispa ngut ki buru ki wa khanglat I wa ulai cakap tahu pemane ka public hearing de boong kani to ka kam yung ilka yung I ta kani himan ka ki ka umyu pediang ne ka wa man percha ya ka ain ne ba ka kam ka EIA notification arajan ru de kelam chega wa nu nong chong chnong yung ka mekhalia yu pen snyau ya ka jing snyau ko yung o ha ka nu ka public hearing kham tam heyato wa ka jing chakta ya ka mariang lene ya ka environment ka yung I ina kaliang kaseng da pengkra ya ka jing tho ka wadaman janai bha da kadaw la ya chibon ki jing duna yang kani ka EIA report yang kani ka Shri Cement ne ba am ka jing tengkhan ya ki kendon yang ka EIA notification arjan ru handre ka wasnal siu ong wa im yo yu poi che ki thai ki thau ki wa thmui te I kam kaseng mam kwa I kanu ka jing snam le ne kanu ka jing ya klumar wa ki pradok ki prasnam ki yong I ta da wan da dong biang I chakani ka da dong de ni kata da mi ni po khmat office UDC bo up UDC kenang yo submit ya kini ka jing tho ka yong I ina kaliang ka sen pen pau ka jing snyau si ka wokro wa yoi ba ta po ka district ka yong I kat ni ki an member ki polis ka jing sket report wa cha khang luti UDC da lai na khmat yong I de perchang I kelam UDC ba to kanim to ka galuti handre UDC da kan ta yo kelam wa I de bo ongu ba to yu kelam ani haden ta jing sket about DC de yo ya kini ke jing ja jing sket ka kamram ko yang o to open sengel ne kun ria ya kini ki bru ya kini ki jing wit ki jing thut ha kini ke luti ulai ka public hearing ta yo jing tip chu chu ile bobat kinong chong chnong yang ka Daistong ki wa percha Dam ke jing khanglat ke yeki da ki ni ki bru ki wa da kanika Shri Cement da pengkrek go kita ki kang chnong ki yongki. Te kam ke JNC hi bum chong klik ti. Henry ya ni ke kam idau lai ga chakhamat langba ka ain. Yeu lai chaduk cha High Court ni benta ke ni ke kam ne bha ke ni hi man go ke jing yoroi. Ke jing pengkhanya ke constitution yang keri India ne bha ke constitution yang keri India. Da kedau che go wa unu nong chong chnong yang keri India emu ko hok wo pen snyau ya ke jing snyau ko yang freedom of speech le ne freedom of expression. Ta ke ni hi man go ke jing yoroi do ya ka hok yang Henry de man go le ke jing yoroi ya ke constitution of India. Ta ina ke liang ke JNC wum ye pediang ye ke ni. Ta dau perchangi le up UDC le di Allah di mentu dau ikalam yo dau panjing che ne halor ke ni ke kam ta ke ni to ke message ke wo clear cha ke government wa sange no ke ni ke jing le dan bor ke yang phi ken mo wa hadin sound snem ke bor ke yang phi dau kut go ta nei te dau kam ke JNC kwa ye phi ka mo paj ba de jet ye phi chikri hok yo paj ba kham tam wum ho yo ben phi ki duk kirangli. Ta kini to ka message ke wa clear wa ina ke liang ka sen mom ye pediang dalile ya kini ke jing le be an ke jing penam kam da ki kang ke jing wam hejing sket ya kini ki public hearing to apply da ka police department upat ya ka law and order han resnau si ong wa ka police department le da man go ka nong pat ki don hi hejing ito wa kini ka kam.